We've also decided that all schools will be closed from tomorrow for the next 14 days, which means the schools will reopen on the 4th. This is, of course, from nursery, LP school, all the way till class 12. But the examination for 10 and 12 will continue. We have made a lot of arrangements for those. While I'm saying all of this, I want to be very clear that this is applicable to the Shillong area. This is not for the rest of the state, because the spike of the cases, almost 80% are in Shillong area. So this is applicable in Shillong. So the other areas, districts, we are still reviewing the situation.